And what's your name, Daddy? What everybody call you?
Dave, everybody call me. And I'm David, my name. My name not really change, certain way.
So I hear your son works at Jam West.
Jam West. He work at Jam West. He work at Jam West in the kitchen. I did there yesterday. I did there yesterday. I did there, and he come right and me there work. I sit down there chat.
I heard he had a love for cars and wanted to buy a Beamer. Tell us a little bit more about him, you know, his personality.
Well, he young, you know, and everybody have their dream, you know. And he might work. He go there, as he left school, he start the little work. Just after Corona. And he see if he little money when he could buy a little bike when he can catch it down in the bush and come back.
Tell us a little bit about what you spoke to him about yesterday. Last time you spoke to him.
Yeah, he just did a normal routine. He come and see me when I bill and so. He asked me if me alright. He work in the kitchen, he go get one lunch, give me and he bring me lunch, come give me. I sit down there eat. And he say, boy, that is something I work out good, man. Because it's a round counter me a bill. So I go round and carry round and I go and I show him how shape out. We did it in the evening and he said, boy, that is even slow enough. So I take time go out. He said, alright, go on. I go down and look about me go out them. We link up. Frightened if it here, a phone, me there yard, I pay a phone call up. Because majority of people there know me. My son call me. My son is Orange Hill, Sanjay. If me not hear what happened to Javian, and him first called me. And then after that, my phone not stop ring. I like them sitting here, man. I like them sitting here, man. Just...
So how would you describe what has happened?
The police, they're wicked, man. They're cruel, man. They don't have no love. They don't have no love, man. Them a wrecky country, man. I'm telling you that. Police, them a wrecky country. Because police not walk in our community and socialize with nobody. You never see one police just come socialize and just talk with the people them and get to know people them in our community. I make the people them in our community know them. They not do that. Then come with their face and their head tie up. So you see when you see them, you wonder if an invasion or if a police or a bad man. Only time you can't know see a police, and at the time you're fully traumatized. You're fully shocked up.
So you believe that they should change their attire, the way how they hide themselves, conceal their identity?
They hide in the dark. You don't see no police jeep or the police in the dark bush. And you take time to come. And them that jump out for you. And if you make one little funny move, they must kick off for you, they must do everything to get rid of you. That's why I'm not run from police. I'm glad. The police they never really tap me and me take a stack of gun, man.